So with that being said, I'm going to introduce you to a couple stuff that we're using. First things first, I just want to introduce the Rode VXLR Pro. So what this is it helps me use my lavalier microphone, and it allows me to connect to my mixer, my recording device. Which I mean by that is this is actually my audio recording device. It's called the Zoom H6. So this is the baby that's recording all my audio. So this and this work in conjunction with each other, and they're the ones that's helping me get the audio quality that I need, that you guys can hear. And I'm also going to advertise the product that I bought, the microphone lavalier. It's called the Giant Squid, and I'm just throwing it out there in case you guys need it. The reason I bought this particular setup is the Giant Squid plugs into the headphone jack of the XLR that's included in this. And the reason I chose to go with the Pro model is this microphone requires a little bit of phantom power, just like a regular mic would, like an XLR mic, but you can't use phantom power. I think it's called plug-in power. So this device has a built-in transformer to make sure that it doesn't blow out your microphone. So you don't have to worry, oh, is this the right voltage, not the right voltage? So definitely recommend getting this. One of the most important critical things that I recommend anybody to do for their production is you gotta have a pair of headphones. Like this is so crucial. These are the Beyerdynamic DT77 Pro. These headphones are so comfortable. They're amazing. They're actually quite excellent. We use it to monitor our audio whenever we're doing our pre-production. So just gives you an idea of what to see. They're very comfortable. I love it. They do come in different impedance, which means the amount of voltage that is required for drive these headphones. An example of that is if I were to plug this into his cell phone, the audio quality may not play through it just because it's just not enough power to drive the headphones. So usually you want to hook it up to like an amplifier. Clearly, if you have an audio system, 3.5 millimeter is good for headphones, but for studio stuff, what you're really going to want to use is this adapter that comes with it. And I've never seen an adapter that you actually can screw it on and you could turn a 3.5 millimeter jack from that to a 1/4 inch, which is what you use for most professional equipment. So this right here, it's a must have. I highly recommend it. The velour ear cuffs on here are amazing. So just wanted to get y'all an idea of like what type of stuff we have to do to set up our production studio here. So once again, the reason I'm doing that is, like I said, I'm going to keep track of the cost that it takes for us to do this. You know, camera number 1, camera number 2, camera number 3, camera number 4. So it just gives you an idea of everything that we're working on here. I want to flip it. Oh, no. Oh, I got away. Ah, there it is. Got it. The audio equipment. This right here. That's how we capture. Well, you know, we'll do it different. I'm gonna do it from the front. Dang it! I wanna. Damn it! We are gonna capture you there. That's what I wanted. Got it. We never caught the headphones. So.
Wait. Go.
We never caught the headphones, so. Gotta catch that. The good news is at least it's starting to look rather organized. But between you and me though, this to me is sick. Like I like the interior because it almost looks like the wiring of a water cooler. Like you don't see nothing. So I had to move this over because I had to route one cable. These over here block the chassis to move that one cable. So I had to route these further down. I do have enough room for these to be where they were. The way they had these cables routed, they all had it like all janked up. So I pulled it back out and I started sorting everything out and I started finding the best pathways to connect things. You know, the question I have is like, where are the fan cables? See?
Yeah.
Got one tucked in between, and the ones on the side is what's impressive. I got them tucked into the side of the case.
Yeah.
By the way, don't ever be afraid to say something, okay, director? You're allowed to have secondary comments. People like that on YouTube.
Really?
Is this like Scarface?
Yeah.
I think it's Scarface. He liked the gold and black. So, yeah.
No fingerprints. Love it.
Yeah, and then here's what makes it worse. When you buy it, the white one, it already comes with 2 of these. But here's the problem. It's not RGB.
Oh,
RGB. You gotta be RGB, baby. So
you gotta be RGB.
So I had to rebuy 2 fans that already comes with it, and then 2 more to supply the full unit. I had to buy little colors, like little pieces, like
yeah.
It's so stupid how customizable. Matter of fact, like this doesn't come with it. I had to buy these.
Sheesh.
And I didn't even like you see this little thing right here? I didn't like this so much that when I bought my cooler originally came with 2 of these with the little thing sticking out, that I had to go back and rebuy 3 of these because I don't want it with it.
Yeah.
And my reason being, which I gotta look through all this stuff, but long story short is I had to buy this little piece in white. Trust me, you think that's great? Look, right here. You get SATA cables for your hard drives. They come with it.
Yeah.
But I want mine to be white. So this is the heatsink that the CPU is going to be on. This doesn't come with it. This little black metal thing and the white under. No, that's what this is. This is separate. And I don't think this is cheap. One of the things we're going to do when I do it is I'm going to let everybody know. What did that idiot say? Oh, no expenses. What is it? No expenses spared.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna say that a lot, and when I edit a video, I'm gonna add money next to it. You're gonna see the total constantly going up. See, I'm all about dexterity. This is a big man's mice. So, your boy had to get the white PSU just to make it adapt, and I already told you. When I say I future-proofed, I think this was the first purchase I made 5 years ago. And to give you perspective, I bought this at an overkill. Because people were like, why would you buy a 750 watt? Like, nothing's over 500. Okay, that was what, 2016? Now, I don't even know if this is enough juice to power all this. Because now the minimum standard for where I'm at should be, I think the minimum is 800, 850, so yeah. just a little bit over. My comfortable measure, I would like to get a 1200 watt one. And just so you know, the price is not that different. They're like $50 apart, so it's worth it. But I bought this a long time ago, and yes, I did buy it for one reason, because it's white. All right, day 2. Technically day 3 because we've been starting since Monday.
Eclipse setup.
Jesus Christ! All right, we're back.
Technically, year 5.
Darkness, my old friend.
So now I know who to put the blame on. Asus, this is the stupidest thing I've ever seen on the mounting an SSD. Why? That's retarded, bro. And I may not get a sponsorship from you, but that has nothing to do with Samsung. That is an Asus design. They put a plastic washer. There's, just so you can see, it's this little washer. That right there, that little thing.
Turn it?
No, I'm not going to do that. Hell no, I'm not going to do that. I do like my little badge. I got a chrome badge here. And I really like this one because if I'm not mistaken, with my glasses on here, I believe this is chrome and black. I don't know. I'm genuinely asking. Is it?
It does look like chrome and black.
Okay, because normally the way it comes is this cocky-dookie color here. Because that's what they're known for. Like, believe it or not, guys used to be...
What's the technical term?
Caquita brown. We're going to unhinge all of the cables. And we're going to feed them through these rubber grommets here. I think that's the word, huh? And hide our cables. So let's start doing that one at a time. Or if you got a pair of scissors, I can cut these. Just snip, snip, snip. Even though I'm sure the smart thing is to tie them, but I got zip ties. All right, guys, so another little tool you want to have, scissors. You know what? You guys made fun of a guy about a decade ago, the black dude who was building his first gaming PC, and you guys made fun of him because he had zip ties and tweezers. And I just showed you why you would need tweezers. So, y'all are out of control.
Those are actually shears, not scissors. And they're actually designed to cut bone. Made in America.
Made in America. I think what he's trying to tell me is, they said it in Toy Story Part 1, you uncultured swine. I don't know what you call this. It's not octa-core. It's not pentacore. I don't know what you call 12.
I don't know.
It's too much.
You said it. It's too damn high.
Oh man, this is definitely my back. I'm not even doing what you're doing. My back's hurting. Do I get a break today, sir?
Can I get paid? Jesus.
I need to pay my bills today. My phone's gonna get turned off. What's the operating system gonna run on?
Remember how I said I don't have all the money to buy everything I wanted?
Yeah.
Well, operating system was one of those things.
So, alright, taking some pictures here.
You know, like this used to be the MX regular, like no 3.
Yeah.
So that's how long that was in my wish list. This never changed, so that was fine. We went from 2070s to the 30s, so that was a whole generation. I was originally supposed to be. Wait a minute. Something's missing. Where's my CPU? I'm tired. I'm stressed out. Look, I lost all my hair. What's this? Is this a... No. I've never seen this on the set before. This little...
The thing, oh, that's old school, man.
What is it?
I don't know what it is, but it's old school.
It's a new app.
I know. Old is new, man. Just like your computer.
Oh! He needs some milk!
To be fair, before you insult me, everything you see here is still the newest technology.
So
there's no 40,000 series graphic cards yet.
Are you sure about that?
Alright guys, so it's me, Mike the Gaming Animator. As you can see, I finally got all the stuff to build up a computer. It's taking me a mighty long time to go ahead and do this. And if I can make a side note, I can't believe it, but today was the actual release date of the RTX 4000 series. So this video is already obsolete.